Hi! In front of me is Doogee S40 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find clock and simply click on it. Then select this clock icon at the top left corner and tap on this red plus one. Now you need to set up an hour. When you're ready, click on OK. Then tap on repeat and select days of the week. I will go with Fridays only. After that, you need to click on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and tap on label. If you want to, you can label your alarm however you wish to over here and save your changes. Oh, sorry. Okay, whatever. And save your changes by clicking on OK. Then tap on this little bell icon and select one of those melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the one that you wish to set up and going back. But you can also just add new and pick music from your device by tapping on one of those sources, like downloads, and clicking at the chosen one. As you can see, I don't have any, so I will just pick one of those, for example, that one, and go back. If you want to turn off your alarm, you can always do that by clicking on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to get rid of it, you can do that by tapping on delete. If you want to find out even more about your alarm and customize its settings, you need to click on those three dots at the top right corner, select settings and adjust them to your liking. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!